Hey YouTube, I'm SANJ. Welcome back to my channel SANJ Designs, where I'm building a T5 camper conversion. In this video I'm going to be removing this Motexion bulkhead from the van. Simple job and something that you can do yourself, or even something you can install yourself. Stay tuned. Right, so here's the bulkhead. As I mentioned, it's the Motexion. It's actually an upgrade. It's quite a good bulkhead. Better than the standard steel, but I need to take it out obviously for doing the camper conversion. So I've looked around, I couldn't see any fixings on the outside, so it's more likely to be inside of the vehicle. So I'm going to remove that trim, I'm going to remove the seatbelt panel, I'm going to have a look behind, see exactly how to take it out. It might even involve taking the seats out, but we'll have a look as we go along. So first job, I'm just going to remove this little panel clip here. Just using my trim tool. It's come out quite nice and easily. So I'm just going to pop this seat belt off. And all it is unclipping that, and it's just an M10. Drop the seat belt down. I'm going to take this trim off, and there we can see what's actually holding it in place. So now I've got the panel off, you can see that the bulkhead's held on with these sort of screws or bolts. I'm not sure what they are. I'm not sure what type of head they are as yet. So that's basically what I'm going to have to do. And it looks like I'm going to have to take the seats out, which I didn't want to do either. But we've got to get the job done. Take the seat out. So I decided not to take the seat out because the handbrake's attached and it's just a bit too much work. So all I've got to do now, there's about sort of 15-20 screws which are actually securing the bulkhead in. There aren't any on top, there's a few on this side. So all I'm basically going to do now is just undo them, and I'm assuming it pulls back into the back of the van. I'm just going to give that a go. So that's all the screws hopefully out. So the plan is I'm going to push it back towards the back of the van. Hopefully it's not going to catch anywhere. There might be a little bit of catching at the bottom, but we'll see how we get on with that. Hopefully we'll get it out fairly quickly and easily. Job done, and still in one piece. That's the result. So that is the Motexion bulkhead safely out. So I'm going to give that a quick clean, and that's going to be on eBay. So there you go, that's another project out of the way. Nice and easy, something you can do yourself. But stay tuned for some of the other videos we've got. The next video, I'm actually going to be talking about the pop-top roof, which one I've gone for. So stay tuned, check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.